Hi folks, it is time for science. This is your screencast for Wednesday, April 23rd. We are going to continue learning about the cardiovascular system or circulatory system, whatever you want to call it. It goes by a couple names. And it's kind of the same process that we have been doing. You're going to work on some notes. You're going to watch the crash course and do the questions with that and turn that in just to show that you're here and you're working on your stuff. And then you'll continue that circulation POGL. So let's go into Schoology and take a look at what that looks like. Here's our week of April 20th, and we'll hop into this assignment. Of course, as always, there's a nice little check-in question. I do enjoy reading those, and I do appreciate everyone getting those done pretty quickly. That's been great. Good on y'all. I really, really appreciate it. So, here are our things. We have the PowerPoint that, of course, just leads you to the Google document or Google Slides, whatever you call these things these days. And it goes through the slides. You should have done slides 1 through 7 or all the way up through here on Tuesday. And now on Thursday, you'll be working on the blood flow through the heart and end up on slide 15 here. On Monday, you'll finish this out and be done with the notes. So we have our crash courses linked here. This is the file for the questions. This is the link to the video. And then, of course, there's a link to the POGL. You should have done page 1 on Tuesday, and you'll be working on page 2, the Model 2 circulation of blood, today. As usual, I'm available during class time and during office hours or via email for questions or if you need help or something's gone awry. Whatever you need, I'll be there if you need to reach out. Otherwise, folks are doing really well. This system seems to have worked out for folks. It's not too much, but it still gets us to understand the different systems. I hope you all are well, and we'll see you next time. Bye!